If you are looking for 1,000 subscribers and you have not gotten it, my brother, keep calm. My sister, keep calm, because I got you covered. I found a new way for you to get it. Yes, and we're going to make use of our Google Crew, and it's very fast without uploading your video. So let's start. So first, go to your YouTube Studio application. Click on the 3 icon that is there. And click on share, then copy link. I hope you are following sharp. Then go to your browser, either Chrome, Safari, any browser of your choice. You know why it says any browser of your choice? Because you might say, hey, I'm using iPhone, I'm using this. So any browser of your choice can do it. But make use of what? Chrome. And type in what? Free auto subscribe generator. Then click on the first one. And it opens. Then paste your YouTube channel link, the one that I just copied now. Then click on what? Generate. Then the link gets generated automatically for your channel. The link is generated for your channel. Then what? Then copy the link you just generated to your clipboard. I hope you are following. So the next step is what? Go to your studio.youtube.com or YouTube dashboard. So you can click on the plus icon and go to your dashboard. Sorry. Studio.youtube.com or YouTube dashboard. Just look at my site. Then click on what? Customization. This one will be like pencil icon. Just look at my site. Then scroll down and click on what? Add link. Then write subscribe now or please subscribe, or subscribe for anything, or subscribe, please subscribe, or subscribe this thing. You understand what I'm saying? So I write what? Subscribe now. Then paste the link in the side. The link you just copy now. Paste it there. And publish it. It automatically shows your channel and it helps a lot. So you understand? Can you see my TikTok link? Can you see my Instagram link? You can also add your Gmail name, your Facebook link. If you have a Facebook page, you understand? When done, click on the Home tab. So you see, make sure this button is on. Mine is on already, so I don't need to run it again. And click on what? Add section. You will see my own channel trailer. You see trailer, spotlight. Can you see everything that is there? Trailer, spotlight, popular. Say you can see. So you pick channel trailer and pick maybe an introduction video or your best performing video that you know that it's very good, that you put in so much work and so much energy. Like mine now, I made a video, basically an introduction video about my channel, that I talked about my channel, what my channel is about, what I do my channel, blah 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 blah. Just like this one I did. Welcome to boluvibes. That was my video that I did. You understand? So I made a video that just for introduction alone. So anytime that anyone comes to my channel, that's the video they will see for welcoming them. And I always make sure that you save anything you do on this dashboard. Always make sure that you save it before leaving the dashboard. So you understand? Always make sure you save it. So always make sure that you save it. These things that I just taught now will make your video to go viral. So let me show you how it works now. So like this, you go back to your YouTube application. Can you see it? You click on this place. Can you see it? Can you see the subscribe now? My Instagram link, my TikTok link. Can you see everything? Can you see my trailer? Everything. Can you see my trailer too? So that's how it appears. Can you see how it appears? So I hope you understand everything I just taught you now. Just have to create link, put it to your customization, and what? Add the link, post it, add home tab, create trailer, create turning subscriber, and all those things. Shall set everything necessary. And what? I hope if you have any questions, kindly ask in the comment section if you are lost. So I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video. I am Bolu Vibes. Bye bye. So time to go now, hurry up. Eh? Thank you, Jesus.